Okay, hey guys, today is day 5 of Vlogmas. I'm really trying to do this year for real. So I just got a package. UPS just left and my kids want to unbox it. So we're gonna see what it is. I know it's from Amazon because it came in an Amazon box, but we'll see. So I'm gonna let my kids unbox it and hopefully it's what I think it is. And then I'll show you guys my Christmas decorations later. I actually decorated my house for Christmas the day before Thanksgiving because this month is just, it's real busy for me because my birthday is on Saturday the 8th, Sagittarius. Woo-woo. And then I'm going to an ugly sweater party, and then we have our anniversary that's right before Christmas. Yes, girl. So yeah, we got a lot going on. Y'all ripping it up. Can you get it?
Yeah. See, there's another wrap over it.
Y'all, so I'm thinking of starting them like a kids like unboxing toy channel.
Yeah, I haven't had one of those.
I know you haven't had one of those because they love, I don't know if y'all kids are the same, but they love watching those like toy reviews that kids do. Kenny, your nose is running. Sorry y'all, he has allergies.
That's why I have that blue and...
Yeah, so I got him like, I don't know if y'all can see that diffuser over there.
Mommy.
But yeah, I got a diffuser for him.
Mommy,
and we're just trying to see if it works. Yes.
The wind is making me, my nose is...
Oh, the air? Okay.
Guys.
Oh goodness, okay. It says camera and shoulder bag, y'all. We have another camera. And guess what y'all can use it for?
Huh?
Guess what we can use it for?
What?
Another camera. To make y'all videos. So y'all could do toy reviews. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I got this from Amazon. And this is exactly what I was hoping it was. Well, this is a nice little carrying bag. It's got some little like pleather or leather or something.
That feels good.
What's over here? Oh, I guess you can attach like a little shoulder strap right here. Put some accessories. Let's unzip it. Oh, here's the strap right here.
Yeah.
So it comes with like a LED light.
And look,
ooh, a microphone. Okay.
it comes with a charger.
It's a 4K video camcorder. Batteries.
Mom, should we open it?
Some kind of like lens adapter. The USB.
And we have some of this.
What is this? Oh, the little felt wipes or velvet. I don't know what you call it.
Hi. Look what we have. So this is Canon, he's 4, and this is me, and I'm 6. And I have this strap.
Y'all, the fact that she's 6 and he's 4 is crazy to me because when I started my channel, she was 2 months and he wasn't even like thought of yet. So I've been doing this for a little minute. Ooh, okay.
What is that?
This is a lens. I think it's a wide angle lens.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Full HD, super wide angle lens.
I found the microphone. I found the microphone. Stop it.
Oh, girl.
Mommy, I found something.
A microphone. And
Wait.
I think this is the plug to it. To connect it. This is the LED light with the filter on it.
There's something.
And it's got the little hot shoe piece on
Oh,
it.
this is the cord.
What cord is it? How many cords do we need?
Wait, Camden, you can get these 2. Okay.
And then there's another plug. I think this is so you can connect it to the TV. The 2 batteries. And then this is the inside of the bag.
And this is the...
Y'all, this was on Amazon for only like $200 and something.
Don't open it.
So if y'all are looking for a 4K camera that's inexpensive, because I'm trying to show y'all like inexpensive things to start your channel out. Here it is, y'all. It's so pretty.
Mommy. Right here. Later and right now.
And the camera came with like a little pouch as well that you could slide it into. So all this for like $200. I think it's good. Okay, so we got all this stuff.
And here's Daddy's
Pepperonis.
recipe
And yeah,
that I made.
they went upstairs and got an order. Oh girl, look at your writing. So yeah, she is my helper. We're about to make this pizza real quick. And here come Camden. I can't see him. There you go. He coming to help too.
Hi. I know how to square even more.
Girl, you okay?
Yeah, but nobody can see me. Only my mouth moving. They can only see me.
Yeah,
No, Shannon can scoop it and I'll spread it. Okay.
Oh God. Oh,
That's too
put it
much.
on here. No, that's not.
Huh.
Just put it on there. Boop. Put some more.
Put some more.
Oh God.
You're
He's
just
so rough
gonna-
with everything. Just center it all in the. Put it all in the center.
What's the center? Oh, the middle is the center.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like Mickey Mouse.
Okay, so now I'm just outside of my house. It doesn't really look like much because I have to fix those snowflakes. And right here is my wreath to my outdoors. I just kind of decorated with stuff from the Dollar Tree. And then we're gonna go back up. So here is the tree. Like I said, the kids helped me decorate it. We did it like the day before Thanksgiving. I got some boxes under there. I have to separate their gifts from them, and I have some more like hidden around. Then I have this like tabletop tree right here, and my fairy lights are in my window. And then I have lights going like up the stairs. You go down so.
Hello guys, it's Camden here. That's my sister over there. So say hello guys to my sister. Hi. So my name is Camden and this is my YouTube video. So guys, something crazy happened. I don't know what he said. I said something crazy happened. I have a nose. There's a nose boner. What? I have a girlfriend. No, I don't. Yeah. My sister's being rude.
You gonna tell them what you did at school today?
I did at school today?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna only tell them about the playground.
Okay.
Okay, so my playground.
Is this on your face or on your mouth?
It used to be on his mouth. Okay, only me. And he won't let me see. Okay, since you won't let me see, I won't let you see. I'm white!
Well, you're not white.
Okay.
Here. Here, now you can talk. I'll hold it.
So, hey guys, it's Camden.
What'd you do at school today?
I played at the playground
And what else?
and eated Teddy Grahams.
You ate Teddy Grahams?
So, hey, and I'm Camden, by the way.
You just said your name like 10 times.
I'm not here. This is not Camden here. Welcome to my channel. Click on notifications. Click the thumbs up. Later, at night, Camden and me made a pizza. Earlier we made an order for Daddy. It said double pepperoni, double cheese, sliced in squares, large pizza, and pepper, red pepper, and And hey guys, it's Camden and AMAIYA. 2. Okay, and we are gonna cook another pizza.
Perfect.